Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video tutorial, we will explore how to customize headers in a Word document, specifically how to add header text to the first page only and adjust the page numbering accordingly. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a like. It really helps out the channel. Now, let's dive in and learn how to customize headers in Word documents. I've created a 4-page sample document. On the first page, you will see header text, but there is no page number. When I scroll down, the header text disappears, but the page number remains and starts at 1 on the second page. Now, let me switch to a new document and show the steps to add a header only to the first page and start the page numbering at 1 on the second page. To achieve what we would like to do, we will use section breaks. They allow you to divide your document into separate parts and control the headers for each section independently. To get started, click at the end of page 1 right after the space character. Next, go to the Layout tab, click Breaks, and select Next Page under Section Breaks. Now, double-click the header on the second page. The header and footer tools will appear at the top. Make sure to uncheck Link to Previous to unlink this section from the one before it. This ensures that changes made in one section won't affect the others. Next, click inside the header area on page 1. Use your left arrow key on your keyboard so the page number is not highlighted. Type the header text you would like to display. Here, I will paste some pre-copied text. Press the Tab key to left align the header text. Now you can see both the header text and the page number on page 1. If I scroll down, you will notice that the rest of the document does not contain any header text. Here is page 2, page 3, and page 4. Now, let's adjust the page numbering. We will delete the page number from the first page so that numbering can start at 1 on the second page. To do this, highlight the page number on the first page and press the delete key on your keyboard. Next, scroll down and click inside the header area on the second page. Then, go to the page number in the header footer tools. Select Format Page Numbers. In the pop-up window, choose the Start At option and enter 1 in the text box. Then click OK to close the window. Finally, close the header and footer area by clicking Close Header and Footer in the ribbon. Before we wrap up, let's review each page to make sure everything looks correct. I will scroll up and then down through the document. As you can see, the header text appears on page 1 without the page number. Just as planned, the header text disappears starting on the second page, while the page number, starting at 1, appears on page 2, page 3, and page 4. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I'm here to help. Thank you for watching and see you next time.